In our last video, we explored async storage for basic offline functionality. Today, we are moving on to Expo SQLite, which gives you a full SQL database right inside our React Native app, making offline data storage and queries much more powerful. Let's start by setting up Expo SQLite in our project. First, make sure you have Expo installed. Then install the SQLite package by running expo install expo-SQLite. Here we are going to import the SQLite model from the Expo and initialize in our database. So here we use Open Database Sync to create or open the SQLite database file called as this assignments. So this is where we are going to store all the local data. So here in the assignment type, so this defines the structure of our data. This will notice, so you can just notice some flag like vsync. So this is going to track whether the record has been signed with the server or not. So after that we are going to initialize the DB. After that, here we are going to create insert into the assignment. Default by 0. So here also we have some CRUD operations like update. Also here it's for delete. So after that it will fetch all non-deleted items. After that fetch unsigned assignment, like whatever unsigned assignments are there in the local storage, it will just fetch all thing and also sync to the Supabase database. And also after that it will mark as synced when the user is online. So to quickly wrap up, Expo SQLite makes offline working of app very simple. It saves everything on your phone first, and also you can still add or edit data even without internet. Once you get back online, it automatically syncs in the background. Your changes show up instantly, so it feels super fast. And most importantly, no data loss even if the internet drops. It's basically like having a personal notebook that allows works offline but also makes smart cloud backups whenever it can. It is simple, reliable, and also always ready when you need it. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.